And it's been about 6 weeks since Decatur resident Steve Perkins was shot and killed in his driveway by Decatur police.
Since Perkins' death, attorneys for his family say there's been very little useful communication with the different agencies involved in this case. And they say there's been no transparency either. News 19 investigative reporter Dallas Parker sat down with national civil rights attorney Lee Merritt, who is representing the Perkins family.
The Perkins family has very specific demands.
Steve Perkins was shot in his driveway by Decatur police on September 29th. According to police, this happened after officers showed up to assist with a vehicle repossession at Perkins' house. The Decatur Police Department reports it has completed its internal investigation of the shooting. That internal review is aimed at determining if department policy was violated and if discipline is warranted. That's separate from the ongoing Alabama law enforcement agency investigation into Perkins' death. Civil rights attorney Lee Merritt, who is representing the Perkins family, says they want accountability, including termination of the officer involved.
Our understanding is that he was the sole firing officer of all the officers on the scene, that he emptied his clip into Mr. Perkins in a way that we don't believe is justified under the law.
And the Perkins family is still struggling with the loss.
Catrella Perkins and her family are certainly suffering right now.
Dozens of members of the community continue to protest in Perkins' name almost nightly, calling for the officers involved to be criminally charged. But Merritt wants to clarify one thing on behalf of the family.
Most people are concerned about the criminal consequences, and that is out of the hands of the family. The family has the opportunity to bring a federal civil rights suit alleging constitutional violations, alleging violations of federal law. One of those claims, the basis of the claim, is the Fourth Amendment violation, which is unlawful search, seizure. Here, using deadly force to help a tow truck driver illegally tow someone's car, we believe is a violation of the Fourth Amendment.
According to Alabama law, police are typically not allowed to assist with repossessions without a court order. As for the outside investigation being conducted by Aaliyah, it remains ongoing, and Merritt says nothing has been disclosed to the family or attorneys.
Unfortunately, Aaliyah gets to conduct their investigation in a bit of a vacuum, without any concrete timeline, without any requirement that they share the evidence. Although we're speaking with local counsel about this, we believe that the law states that they are required to turn that evidence over to us in a reasonable fashion. I believe that they're violating the law right now.
Body camera footage has yet to be shown to any representative of the Perkins family, leading some to question whether any footage exists. Merritt says he was told by Morgan County DA Scott Anderson that it does.
The first day that I came to Decatur, I met with the prosecutor for the region, and he confirmed to us that there are both body and dash cam footage that exists that has not been released yet. He said that it's his office practice to share that information with the family once they have it, but they have not received it from Aaliyah.
In Decatur, Dallas Parker, News 19.
Aaliyah tells News 19 there is no timeline for the completion of the investigation, and we will continue to follow up with the agency.